Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you why Duolingo keeps changing its app icon. Let's get started. If you are new to Duolingo, the unique appearance of the Duolingo app icon might have surprised you. The sick appearance, or melting icon on the Duolingo app, is a playful design choice by the Duolingo team, primarily aimed at marketing and engagement purposes. Let's understand why it happens and how you can address it. Duolingo occasionally changes its app icon to display a tired or sick appearance, aiming to generate buzz on social media. This tactic encourages discussions and drives traffic to the app. Additionally, the quirky icon acts as a subtle reminder for users, especially those with streaks, to maintain their daily language practice. To fix or change the Duolingo app icon, you can use your streak, which represents consecutive days of learning. Tap on the streak section located on the top navigation bar of the app. Once you tap on it, you'll be redirected to a new page dedicated to your streak details. From there, you can explore options to modify the icon if you meet the criteria, such as maintaining a streak or redeeming perks. Scroll down. You'll see access to the Streak Society, which is available if you have a sufficient streak. Currently, I don't have enough streaks, so it's not enabled for me. However, once it's unlocked, you can tap on the new app icon option and choose to change it to either the original icon or a streak-specific design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.